The Trio Hardaz retaining wall system provides a simple and easy solution for creating solid retaining walls and sleeper edging. This innovative system has significant labour savings due to minimum excavation and not requiring any fasteners, saving you time and money. One of the great features of the Hardaz system is the flush finish, creating a smart, non-obtrusive wall, allowing for easy garden maintenance. Hardaz retaining walls are only 1/3 the thickness of conventional timber retaining walls and are suitable for up to 600mm high walls or 1 metre high walls using heavy-duty beams. The recess in each post allows for adjustment to ensure you get the perfect fit every time and compensates for future timber movement and shrinkage. Let's look at the simple installation process and what tools you'll require to install the Hardaz retaining wall. Plan and measure the length and height of the wall. For economical use of timber, we suggest you space the posts at 1200mm centres. For the build, you'll need Hardaz retaining posts or beams, 150 or 200mm by 50mm rails, circular saw, spade, string line, wheelbarrow, pre-mixed concrete and a level. Use joiner posts for straight runs, corner posts for 90-degree corners and end caps to add a professional finish to the end of the wall. First, mark and dig post holes at 1200mm centres. Concrete Hardaz retaining posts to the height of your string line and allow the concrete to set. Rails are now cut to length and then inserted into Hardaz retaining posts or beams. For a superior finish, we suggest you add a capping. The wall is then complete. Pegs for raised gardens. These handy Hardaz galvanized steel support pegs make installing raised gardens, sand pits and garden edging a breeze. Simply nail your timber box together. Then just level and support your corners using the Hardaz pegs. This raised garden was installed in 3.5 minutes. There are 2 size options, for 1 rail high or 2. Heavy-duty stakes. Hardaz heavy-duty stakes are ideal for sleeper edging and raised gardens. This is a fast and easy way to join sleepers and substantial timber boxing. Sleeper stakes. Hardaz multi-purpose sleeper stakes are ideal for garden edging and many other applications where extra support is needed. Support pins. Hardaz support pins are ideal for boxing and securing garden edging.